Hello everyone, welcome back to Super Kalam. I am your mentor and teacher Arpita Sharma, and this was the video which was highly requested by almost everyone, not just on YouTube but also on our Telegram community. This year, UPSC Mains 2025 examinations are over. They are finally over, and now we understand if you're preparing for 2026, for us, time is less. इस साल में अब सितंबर स्टार्ट हो गया है. टुडे इज 1 अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर. यू हैव 3 months इंक्लूडिंग दिस मंथ. यू हैव 4 months, राइट, टू फोकस, टू कंप्लीट, टू कवर योर मेंस. आपके पास 4 महीने अपना ऑप्शनल कवर करने के लिए, 4 महीने अपना मेंस का रिवीजन पूरी तरीके से कंप्लीट करने के लिए. एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस रिवीजन शुड बी कंप्लीटेड बाय द एंड ऑफ दिसंबर और बाय द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी. This is the harsh reality. Those students, I'm very confident, those students who have completed their main syllabus or who will be completing the main syllabus by September end, उनके पास revision का काफी time होगा. Ample time for practice, ample time for revision. And those who have taken mains and the preparation very lightly, trust me, if you are not going to get serious now, then you are going to regret in the coming months. I don't want you to leave any room for regret. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए प्लीज इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट एज अ टीचर टू ऑल ऑफ यू, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर बिकमिंग more and more sincere now. Now what are we going to do in this particular session? We are going to understand how UPSC, it is proven this time also, after looking at the mains question papers and prelims question paper, it is proved that UPSC is repeating questions. There are certain themes, there are certain topics, there are certain chapters which are getting repeated every year in both prelims and mains, and that is going to make you smoothen your journey, make your revision process और syllabus completion process very easy. अगर आप इस सेशन को फॉलो करते हो, ट्रस्ट में आपका जो मेंस का सिलेबस पॉलिटी का पेपर 2 का कंप्लीट करने का प्रोसेस है वो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. So stay with me till the very end. I'm going to give you an assignment also after the end of this session. Okay, let's have a look at this year's mains 2025 GS paper 2. Now, if you look at the screen, you will see that highest priority was given to the constitution and polity part. 110 marks approximately यहाँ से आए हैं. Then highest priority on the second level was given to two subjects, IR and governance. Most students they skip governance. या तो उनको नहीं पता होता कौन से सिलेबस या कौन से रिसोर्सेज से पढ़ना है. Half of the students are clueless from where to prepare governance from, right? And even if they get the notes from the market, they try to hoard it, right? अब देखो होता क्या है in this journey, I've seen a lot of times majority students they collect the PDFs and materials instead of going through them. So trust me, if you are ignoring governance and social justice, these two subjects, if you're thinking they are just current affair based, स्टैटिक कॉन्सेप्चुअल, तो इसमें कुछ समझना ही नहीं है. एनालिसिस करने की क्या जरूरत है? स्कीम्स एंड बजट में आती रहती है, वो पढ़ो खत्म करो. नो, दैट मीन्स यू आर मिस्टेकन. दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट टेकिंग इट सीरियसली. Governance and social justice, they are very important. When it comes to schemes, just remembering which ministry has passed it, क्या budget allocation है, objectives क्या है, this is not enough. How it is going to be implemented, analysis of that scheme, how it is going to be helpful to particular section of the society, right? This is important. Interlinkage of those schemes are important. गवर्नेंस में एम लक्ष्मीकांत की गवर्नेंस की भी बुक आती है, प्लस सेकंड एआरसी रिपोर्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स दे डोंट इवन नो इन दिस एंटायर जर्नी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज एआरसी रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, मैंने देखा है. ऑलमोस्ट मेंस सर पे था 2025 का. स्टूडेंट्स वर मेलिंग अस हु वर राइटिंग मेंस, दे वर मेलिंग अस, मैम एआरसी रिपोर्ट्स क्या होती हैं? मेंस की आंसर राइटिंग तो हमने ज्यादा टच की नहीं थी, अब शुरू कर रहे हैं तो एआरसी रिपोर्ट समझ नहीं आ रही है. So that means in their entire journey last year, they did not practice even single answer consistently. They were, telling this honestly कि मैम we did not prepare from the perspective of mains. हम तो prelims के लिए ही starting से पढ़ रहे थे. ये सबसे बड़ी mistake है जो आप अपनी journey में कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो इसलिए अभी भी बहुत time है हमारे पास to amend our mistakes if we have not touched mains so far. International relation, again, if you see SCO summit is going on and UPSC has time and again in 2000 since 2021 till now has asked questions on Shanghai Cooperation Organization in GS paper 2 mains examination, even in prelims. I have shared the screenshots in our Telegram community. Do check it out. तो अगर आप ये गलती कर रहे हो, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज PYQs को इग्नोर करने की गलती मत करो. Now on Super Kalam, you have the previous year questions as well as their model answers. You go to mains PYQs, GS paper 2, and over here, even the latest 2025 questions with their model answers have been uploaded. आप देखोगे मॉडल आंसर पे क्लिक करोगे, आपको समझ आएगा कि स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होना चाहिए, what is the introduction, body, conclusion, everything. So when you have all the resources in one place in front of you to help you simplify your journey, why not use it? क्यों ना यूज करें उसको? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर मैं अब क्या करती हूँ, आई सेलेक्ट 2025 क्वेश्चन पेपर जीएस पेपर 2 एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट टेल यू हाउ इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू कवर द PYQs. Now first I'm going to help you understand and want to want all of you to pay attention. Look at your screen. These are the PYQ screenshots from 2021 GS paper 2. Question number 1, look at it very carefully. Constitutional morality is rooted, I am underlining this, constitutional morality is rooted in the constitution itself and is founded on its essential facets. Explain the doctrine of constitutional morality with the help of relevant judicial decisions. Current affairs का aspect आ गया. This is the static part that they are asking, and this is the current affair part that they are asking. So even if you're not being aware of current affairs, so that means you are again losing out on a lot of marks. Okay. Now you looked at this question. Okay. Let's go to Super Kalam. 2025 GS paper 2. Look at the question. Constitutional morality is the fulcrum which acts as an essential check upon the high functionaries and citizens alike. In the view of above observation of Supreme Court, explain the concept of constitutional morality and its application to ensure balance between judicial independence and judicial accountability. That means application मतलब कैसे यूज हुआ है, तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कुछ जजमेंट्स इसमें हम डालेंगे. ठीक है, मॉडल आंसर पे क्लिक करते हैं. So we have started in the introduction with the Supreme Court judgment only. Supreme Court in NCT of Delhi versus Union of India. वहां पर ये स्टेटमेंट हाईलाइट की थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने. सी फ्रॉम द करंट अफेयर्स ओनली, फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ओनली द क्वेश्चन हैज बीन फ्रेम्ड. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? दिस क्वेश्चन केम इन 2025, द सेम क्वेश्चन केम इन 2021. ओके, अंडरस्टैंडिंग? डायरेक्ट सेम क्वेश्चन था, बस स्टेटमेंट का लिखने का तरीका बदल दिया. जस्ट द वे इट इज रिटन, दैट इज चेंज्ड, नथिंग एल्स इज चेंज्ड. Let's go to the next question. The next question is, analyze the distinguishing features of notion of right to equality in the constitution of US and India. इसको कहते हैं comparative constitutional analysis, right? This is again a part of our syllabus. If you look at the syllabus, comparison between our constitution and other nations' constitution. तो यहाँ पर लिख लो comparative analysis. Comparative analysis, and every year UPSC has this motto कि हर साल we are going to ask this question. This question means the comparative analysis question. 2021 it was between US Constitution and Indian Constitution. Let's move ahead. Over here look at it. 2023 it was between British and Indian Constitution. ठीक है, ये 2023 का है. समझ आ गई बात? This is how. And then same in 2022, comparative analysis between India and France's constitution, the election of procedure of president of India and France, how they are elected. तो 2022, 23 एंड 21, 3 साल, 2021, 22, 23. इससे पहले भी क्वेश्चन पूछे गए, ऐसा नहीं पूछे गए. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द लेटेस्ट एनालिसिस ऑफ PYQs. नाउ दिस ईयर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड, आई विल शो यू. देखते हैं यहाँ पर. चलो लेट्स गो टू 2025 क्वेश्चन पेपर. एंड यहाँ पर वी आर गोइंग टू go discuss the evolution of collegium system in India, critically examine the advantages and disadvantage of system of appointment of judges of Supreme Court of India and that of USA, comparative analysis. Look at it, compare and contrast president's power to pardon in India and in US. 2 questions on comparative analysis. ठीक है, this is something that you have to focus on. preemptive pardons जो बाइडेन के वजह से न्यूज में थे, इसीलिए देखो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन उठकर आ गया. 1.5 साल पहले न्यूज में थे, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन केम. Now look at the next PYQ 2021. Pressure groups play a vital role in influencing public policy making in India. Explain how the business association contribute to public policies. A 10 marker question. 2021 में pressure groups के ऊपर question आया था. ठीक है. Now look at 2025 question, 15 marks, environmental pressure groups. Pressure groups also have different types, right? Look at this particular question. 15 marks ka. What are environmental pressure groups? Discuss their role in raising awareness. And this is a question, this is the topic which is there in the M Lakshmikant book also of Indian. Another question, e-governance के ऊपर 2024, 2023 e-governance, 2025 e-governance, 22, 23, 25 e-governance and 24, sorry, 23, 24, 25 तीन साल लगातार PYQ and e-governance projects. They have a built-in bias towards technology and back-end integration than user-centric designs. Examine 10 number का question. This is the repeated theme. Comparative analysis, e-governance, technology, how technology is being used in governance, and constitutional morality, that is constitution. Now, after understanding the relatability of previous year questions and the importance of previous year questions, there are few things that you need to focus on. हमको ये तो समझ आ गया that PYQs play a very very important part and we are not going to ignore them. In the next 4 to 5 months, make sure any topic, whichever subject you study, you complete, you make notes on, you learn, you understand, try to solve previous year questions on those topics. And up to you have Super Kalam to do that. Now, let us understand the resources that we need to cover when it comes to GS paper 2. सबसे पहले आता है governance, because most of the students they take it for granted. For governance, ARC reports are very very important, specifically the second ARC report. ARC का मतलब है Administrative Reform Commission. रिफॉर्म कमीशन ऑनलाइन इट इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल, ARC के वेबसाइट पर ही अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, तो नो मोर एक्सक्यूजेज मैम फ्रॉम वेयर टू गेट द ARC रिपोर्ट्स. बेसिकली इंडिया में पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम को रिव्यू करने के लिए ये कमीशन बनाया गया था. एंड यू नो दैट इट वॉज फर्स्ट हेडेड बाय मुरारजी देसाई. 1966 की बात है. दिस कमीशन वॉज सेटअप. Now, another important aspect, there is a very important book by M. Lakshmikant on governance. You can refer to that as well. प्लस आप यहाँ पर करंट अफेयर्स को लेकर चलो इन ऑल दीज इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज इन वॉट एवर सब्जेक्ट्स. करंट अफेयर्स को करना ही है कवर, बिकॉज द मोर स्ट्रोंगर योर अवेयरनेस इज, द स्ट्रोंगर योर आंसर्स वुड बी. ओके, देन यू ऑल नो अबाउट एनसीईआरटीज. बेसिक एनसीईआरटीज आपको पता है, कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस वाले क्वेश्चंस एनसीईआरटीज से आपके फाउंडेशन बन जाएंगे उन क्वेश्चंस के अंदर. सो क्लास 11, क्लास 12 एनसीईआरटीज, टोटल देर आर 4 एनसीईआरटीज, 2 in class 11th, 2 in class 12th. Then एडिटोरियल्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू वांट टू एनालाइज. फॉर एग्जांपल IR के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस जो आए हैं वो एडिटोरियल्स अगर आप डेली अच्छे से कंसिस्टेंटली पढ़ते हो, यू कैन वेल एनालाइज दोज क्वेश्चंस ऑन इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस. एंड PYQs फॉर बोथ प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस, यू कैन नॉट स्किप देम, यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड देम. अगर आपने ये रिसोर्सेज अच्छे से स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिए एंड इफ यू रिवाइज M. Lakshmikant and NCERTs at least thrice before your prelims exam, trust me, your confidence level will skyrocket. Please follow these suggestions, these advices that we are giving you on an everyday basis, so that these kind of questions you would be in a position to tackle them very nicely, very easily. आप confidently tackle कर पाओगे इस तरीके के questions को. ठीक है, so this was all our learnings from GS paper 2 mains 2025. What were the repeated themes? We understood them. We understood how many questions from PYQs were repeated. We understood last 5 years previous year questions are very important. उनको तो we cannot leave them aside. पिछले 5 साल के तो करो 10 साल के नहीं कर पा रहे, 5 साल के तो करो ही करो. And we understood that we have Super Kalam with us to help us cover all of these in a timely basis. ठीक है, thank you so much everyone. Do leave the name of the subject on which I should make our next session. जल्दी से बताओ, either it can be economy or environment or science and tech, let me know.